It was a gathering of stakeholders in Islamic financing as well as public and private sector players, with participants set to hear what the IDB had to offer Nigeria. This was the thrust of the Business Forum. Top on the IDB's plans for Nigeria are infrastructure development, poverty reduction and education. The bank particularly has eyes for Almajiri system of education, which is prevalent in the northern parts of the country, saying it seeks to get them off the streets and give them an equal opportunity to compete for jobs and earn a decent living.
In the coming 3 years, inshallah, will be a great difference in the relationship between Nigeria and IDB. We expect at least a minimum of $2 billion operation may take place in the coming 3 years, inshallah. So the past does not reflect what will be in the future, inshallah.
Idea of integrating the Almajiri education into the formal education system actually has been on for a long time. But everything needs funding. So whenever, and in education, we need private sector funding also to come into education. And what we are doing is just to give it a boost.
Vice President Namadi Sambo highlighted Nigeria's economic growth aspirations. He expressed gratitude at IDB's promised supports, at seeing that the country's economic vision does not become mere wishful thinking.
Honestly, with some positive outcomes beginning to manifest. Our GDP has been rising for the last 5 years, averaging 6.7% over this period. We expect a GDP growth rate of 7.98% in 2012. This is significant, given that the GDP growth rate in most of the developed world is falling, with most of their economies in turmoil.
Their coming will help us invest, getting resources to invest in infrastructure. And by extension, that will enhance our investment climate, because that's our major challenge actually. If we can fix up our power, get our rail to work, get our roads to be in good shape, get our water supply to municipalities, get our schools to work, get our health centers to work, then we will be in good shape, and of course the investment environment will be better.
An agreement was later signed between the IDB and Nigeria to facilitate implementation facility for a bilingual education program, a move geared towards helping Nigeria attain the MDG goal on education.